Welcome to Miss Nam's Math World. Today we are going to continue to discuss year 1995, and then we are going to study part C. So this time you see the part C, it says using A or otherwise show that this statement is true. Alright, so that means we probably only need to use part A to arrive the answer. So from the left hand side we get cosine square x minus sine square y, but at this moment we can't substitute the result of A. That means we have to do something in it. So do you remember how to change the sine into cosine something? So this is a clue, right? Because this one is cosine, so this is sine. So whenever we do substitution, so we may need to check carefully, right? So right now we can substitute A is equals to X, but B should not be just Y. That means we can, as I also say we have, right? So we have to change the sine into cosine first. So let's change that. So sine y is equal to cosine pi over 2 minus y, right? That means 90 degrees minus y. And then cosine equals to cosine square x minus cosine, of course with square, pi over 2 minus y. So this time it means that we are going to substitute b to be pi over 2 minus y. So let's see what is going to happen. From A, we get sine A plus B. A is x, B is pi over 2 minus y. And then sine B minus A. B is pi over 2 minus y, and then minus A. The question says this one is cosine x plus y, and this one we get pi over 2x plus x minus y. So you see these two, we actually get different opposite sign, right? X and y are opposite. That means we should refer this one to cosine x minus y. And for sine pi over 2 minus y minus x, so we will match this one together with cosine x plus y, because these two variables are having the same sign here. So opposite sign, we refer to this one. Also, it's very important to understand the relationship among the terms, so you know which one you are going to modify to arrive the solution. So let's make it sine pi over 2 plus x minus y, right? And then this one, sine pi over 2 minus x plus y. So you can see that this one is in quadrant 2, right? This one is in quadrant 1. CAST. So both of them are positive. So it is type 2 of our identities, right? So type 2, sine change to cosine. Quadrant 2, the sign is positive. So x minus y. The second one, sine, quadrant 1 is simple. Change to cosine. Sine change to cosine. And then quadrant 1, x plus y. That means they are equal. And now we got the results. Okay, so that means for this one, the most important point is to find the correct terms to be substituted, right? So A, we refer to x, and then actually many students will just think, hey, you get x and y. A is x, B is y. But then we find out that they are not the same. So whenever it happens, you may need to actually change that by using suitable identities. So right now we have completed the whole question. So that's the end of today's math lesson. See you next time.